everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, welcome back to my CVS haul. It was awesome. I haven't had a Moneymaker haul in forever. I mean, CVS has been slacking for me lately. Like, I know other people can do really successful, but I mainly focus on Walgreens over CVS, but I had an awesome haul, no problems, everything was fine, except the red machine, you know, broke down on me, but it ran out of paper. I was printing my mile-long ECB, or CRTs, but they ended up fixing that right away. So, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, the first deal I got is the Revlon lipstick. Now, this was $9.79. Now, my store does do the 10% deal, where as long as you spend within 10% of the price, you guys will get these. So this was $9.79. You guys want to use a $3 off coupon that we got in last Sunday's paper, plus there's a $3 off coupon that is printing from the red machine. You guys would just pay $3.79 for this, but then you guys will get $4 back in an ECB, making it a 21-cent moneymaker, and I love it. And I actually got the metallic one, which I like metallic over matte, so I will definitely be using this this one. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so let's put it on. Even though I already have lipstick on, it smells like vanilla. But I like it. I'm going to put that right in my lipstick pile. So, yeah. The next deal we got is a Suave shampoo and conditioner. Are you okay? Okay. Then these were 2 for $6. Now we have a 3 off of 2 coupon that you guys can use that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would end up paying $3 for this, but then you guys will get $3 back in an ECB, making these absolutely free. So I just did this on one deal. I'm trying to cut back on doing a lot of the same deals because some of you guys didn't like that. So I just do it just to share with you guys as many deals as I can, and I have tons of Suave as it is. The Aleve deal I was so excited for. Now, a couple weeks, or last week, there was $3 off coupons that were on coupons.com.
Mama,
What, honey?
I put the car right there, and it can go zoom.
Okay, can you go upstairs real quick while I do my video, and then you come down here? Thank you. But there was $3 off coupons that were on coupons.com, so hopefully you guys printed those off, because they are no longer available. But these were $8.29. It was buy one, get one 50% off. I used 2 $3 off coupons from coupons.com. I also had a 3 off of 12 any pain reliever, and I had a 3 off Ben, can you give me some water? A $3 off Aleve coupon. So I was super excited to get all that. I combined it. I ended up paying 43 cents for the both of these, which is still a pretty good deal. But then you guys will get $8 in an ECB when you buy 2. So this became a $7.56 moneymaker. I haven't had a moneymaker this big in forever. So $7.56 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal I did was something I had to sit here and do some math, and I'm like, what can I do? So I ended up getting the Colgate Total. Now, it's got to be the Advanced SF. When I was trying to use a digital coupon for it at CVS, it wasn't working, so I had to go back. So the picture that I provide is the wrong stuff. You have to get the one that says Advanced SF on it, because I just grabbed the SF one, whatever that means. And then I have the Colgate Max. So what I ended up doing is all 3 of these were $3.49. I had a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the Colgate Advanced SF, and then I had a 50-cent off coupon that we got in today's paper for that. Now I could also probably use the $2 off one, but I didn't have any more because it's cheaper for me to get these at Walgreens than it is at CVS. But then I also had the $2 off printable, or $2 off CRT that printed from the red machine last week that said Colgate Optic or Max. So I got that, and then I also had $1 off of 3 Colgate coupons. So I ended up using all 3 of these. So you guys would pay $2.97 for all 3 of these, but you guys would only get $2 ECBs times 2. You don't get 3. You only get 2 ECBs, or $2. So you only get $4 is what you get, because it's a limit of 2. But you get all 3 of these for $1.03 Moneymaker. So I think that is a pretty good deal with that deal. So I had to share with you guys on that. Now, in case you don't have the digital coupon or you don't have that, you guys could just do this deal. Now, this one, again, was $3.49, and all I did was use the $3 off, CRT that we got from last week from the red machine. And again, it just says Max, and I think I got the right one on that when I took the picture. But you get this for $1.49, but then you guys will get $2 back in an ECB, making it a 51-cent moneymaker. So it's just up to you guys what you guys want to do if you have those, or you could just do it this way. It's up to you guys what you want to do. There's different ways to do that. My husband just got me some water because I'm like choking. Much better. I got the Paparazzi nail polish. I really like this purple one. This purple one's called Fairy Garden, and then the other one is Razzie Baby. So I got those. The purple one's like sparkly purple. I guess my shirt's not that purple, but these are 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5 for these, but then you guys can get a $4 ECB, making them $1 or 50 cents a piece. So I always get this every time they do that deal, and it's been a while since I got that deal, so wanted to share with you guys on that. I got the Colgate mouthwash deal. Now these were $3.99. I had two $2 off coupons that we got in today's paper. I also had a 2 off of 6 a 2 off of 6 CRT for body or mouthwash. So you guys would pay $1.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $1 back and $1 back in an ECB, so you get $2 back, making these, why did I not do my math, absolutely free. So I love it when I can get some free stuff, so I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting the Febreze deal. Now this deal wasn't going to be a deal until I got to the store. Now these are 2 for $10, okay? There is a digital coupon for 5 off of 2 that I had clipped to my card. And then I also had, from the red machine that printed off, was a $2 off of 2 Febreze 1. So I used that. And then we also had that $1 one that everybody's getting. And I asked the store, I says, can I use it for this? And she's like, yeah. Because I'm like, it shows it for the regular one, but not for these. And she's like, yeah, you can use it. So I ended up using that. So again, 2 for $10. I used that 5 off of 2, the $1 and the 2. So these come out to be $1 a piece. So I wanted to do that deal. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for that. And then I got the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. Sorry, my hair's like all over the place. The L'Oreal deal was 2 for $8. And so what I ended up getting is I bought 4 of them, okay? They are, so now $16. I used one 4 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. Plus I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com because they're not identical. They're 2 different coupons. I also had a $2.25 off coupon off, or CRT off of 10 for hair or shampoo and conditioner. So I ended up paying $6.75 for all 4 of these. But then you guys will get $5 back when you spend $15. So I got these all for $1.75 or 43 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I mean, usually I say $1 is a pretty good deal, but if you can go even cheaper, go for it. And one thing is L'Oreal, I hate how they have a limit like 1 coupon. I used to like get that stuff like crazy, but not since the limits have changed. But yeah, that was my haul. It wasn't much, but I think I did pretty good. My total came to $3.41 for everything. I know, that's awesome. $3.41. I ended up using $23 worth of ECBs. Now I did do 3 transactions because certain ECBs I cannot use in the same transaction. Like you can't use, like I can't use the Aleve 3 off of 12 in one transaction, and with the Colgate mouthwash you have to separate them. I know it's weird. It says it in the small print, so that's what I did. But I ended up using $23 worth of ECBs, but I ended up getting $32 back. $32 back, which is awesome. So my total came to be absolutely free, and it came to be a $5.59 moneymaker. So I got everything for free, plus I made a profit, which I was pretty excited for. I haven't had a moneymaker haul at CVS in a very long time, so everything was successful and I got a lot of cool stuff. So pretty excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite deal is, so if I miss anything, maybe I can go back, maybe. Other than that, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.